CORAMDEO outdoor 8.5 oval LED nautical bulkhead light, flush mount for wall or ceiling, wet location, 75 watts of light, 800 lumens, 3K, white cast aluminium with frosted glass lens. CORAMDEO outdoor 8.5 oval LED nautical bulkhead light. Flush mount for wall or ceiling, wet location, 75 watts of light, 800 lumens, 3K, white cast aluminium with frosted glass lens. A rust-proof cast aluminium construction makes it an excellent outdoor light that can withstand exposure to the elements. The opaque frosted glass of this LED light provides softer on the eyes brightness. Eapudun Farmhouse semi-flush mount ceiling light fixture, 1 light black industrial ceiling light shade, close to ceiling lighting for kitchen island corridor bedroom foyer, hallway entryway, SMA 1307 MBK. The semi-flush ceiling light features a unique seeded glass shade and vintage-style black metal base, bringing a modern twist to its avant-garde retro design. Wide application, the rustic close-to-ceiling light fixture is perfect for the kitchen, laundry, hallway, foyer, dining room, living room, bedroom, entryway, stairway, farmhouse, barn, basement or any other places. Farmhouse semi-flush mount ceiling light fixture, E26 space, industrial black pendant lamp shade, vintage close-to-ceiling lighting for kitchen island laundry corridor porch foyer, hallway entryway. This farmhouse ceiling